How to redeem Dragon City codes. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can redeem Dragon City codes. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to visit their official redemption page. So open up Google in your device and in the search bar type in Dragon City redeem codes. Here, navigate to the first thing on your interface. That's gonna take you to their official redemption page. Here you have to tap on login and redeem. After that, enter your login credential and ensure that you're using the current account where you want rewards to be applied or where you want the rewards to be applied. After you are logged in the gift code field, you have to enter the active code that you wish to redeem. Then you have to click or tap on redeem button. If the code is valid and active, you will receive a confirmation and the rewards will be added to your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.